Thanks, Mom. At least my mom thinks I'm cool.
Hi, it's Vanessa with Community Natural Foods. Today we are going to be working on a cough syrup for the winter as we're rolling into those months with the weather change. This is probably well needed. So if you want to make your own cough syrup, we have a recipe for you today. So we're starting off with 3 cups of water. We're going to add 2/3 of a cup of elderberry into there. We're going to add some freshly grated ginger to the recipe. I'm going to slice it here. You're going to want about 2 tablespoons. I'm going to chop it, but you can grate it. Add that in there. We're going to add cinnamon sticks, about 1/2 a teaspoon of licorice root. If you have high blood pressure, don't add the licorice root because it'll cause your blood pressure to rise. So be careful about that one. And we're adding some cloves. So cloves actually have 30 times more antioxidants than blueberries, which is a really interesting fact. So what you're going to do is you're going to bring that to a boil. And then once it comes to a boil, you're going to let it reduce for about an hour. You're going to squish the berries up against the side of the pot to release more of the properties in the elderberry. So you're going to push those up against the side. So once the syrup is reduced, you're going to stir in a cup of your honey. So you want to bring it to lukewarm temperature and stir it in. Honey is a natural antiviral and will help you fight colds. You're going to stir that in, and you can store this for 2 weeks in your fridge, or you can freeze these into ice cube trays and store them up to 4 months, which is really exciting. So that is your homemade cough syrup. Here are some of the benefits with the ingredients that we're using in this cough syrup. So adding ginger to this recipe will help you mitigate any kind of nausea that you're feeling. By using elderberry in this recipe, it reduces the length and severity of the colds. Cinnamon is a powerful antioxidant and antiviral. So if you enjoyed our video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit like if you liked it, and comment if there's anything that you want to add to what we've done here today. Thank you so much, and we'll see you again soon.